Yeah, this is the first time I've seen 3 4-inch ports with 215s. That's pretty smart. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So you have a little cooling system over here.
Yeah, I actually ran that off the bottom seats.
Uh-huh.
And I just ran it in there to keep the amplifier a little bit cooler.
Nice. All right. Yeah, this is the first time I've seen 3 4-inch ports with 215s, the cone area to port area ratio. That's pretty smart. I like that.
No one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad
Wow, this is very unique.
Well, I built it just to show people that you don't have to have a mega build. You know, you can basically have a build that's simple, but I'm trying to show that.
Wow. Yeah, this is really cool. Not often do I see a subwoofer box have like a plexi view here. You can see sub action shot and how the box is built with the Aeroport's depth. And then what is this, 3 4-inch?
Yes, 4 inch. They're 12-inch long. It's tuned to 32 hertz.
Okay.
Creative Enclosures
Uh-huh.
in Williamsburg, Kentucky built the box for me.
Yes, sir.
These are 4 ohm SCAR audio BHX.
Okay.
JP23 tuned wired down to 1 ohm. 2 excess power D3400 batteries and a 240 McMahon alternator.
So you got an all-around good electrical system to support.
I really need more power. I'm gonna switch over to lithium after this show.
Yes, sir. How big is the box, cubic-wise?
4 cubic foot.
Okay.
Hopefully with this internet.
What frequency range is it like, and do you know your peak frequency or SPL score, anything like that?
I've only had it in here for 3 days.
3 days, okay.
So I'm still bouncing around.
Yes, sir.
Let's see if I can get something to play here with this.
You're good. All right. And did you do the install?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Who built the box, you said?
Creative Enclosures.
Okay.
Out of Kentucky.
Nice. Have you ever tried doing, I know you said it's only been a few days, but maybe consider try plugging a port just to see the difference?
I'm going to try that today,
Yeah.
going through the lanes.
Just to see your bandwidth change and how it reacted.
Yeah.
But I bet you it'll be loudest with all 3.
I'm hoping.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
I'm doing it basically show kids that you don't have to do dope, you don't have to be in a gang.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Throw your money in a sound system and become basic.
Yeah, man. It brings a new hobby to them.
Now,
Awesome.
You know, I just noticed I was dropping way down to low in the 13s, but
That's not too bad.
well,
I've seen 12s and 11s, but still, of course, you'd be better with 14s. Yeah.
I mean, for what I got invested in the system, I'm very pleased with it so far. But eventually, I've got to take this headliner out. I'm glad to put 2 layers of plywood in it, strut bar, because the top roof is flexing real bad.
Yeah. I was going to ask you, I see you done some work in the back. Have you done anything on the roof yet?
Not yet.
Nothing yet.
I basically just ran out of time.
Yes, sir. Okay. Awesome.
Come on. That's good.
All right.
Hate to brag, but I'm the shit. Got some hair when I was 6. I do 30 in that Jeep. Do that make me a trick? House on the lake, but I don't even know how to fix. Damn. Motherfuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. Find out in the I've been drinking law, drinking law, drinking law.
actually pretty good, man. And you
Oh,
said
yeah.
pretty, oh, we're on budget build. That sounds really great. Well, hey, what was your name?
Michael.
Michael. All right, Jacob, nice to meet you,
Thanks,
Michael.
thanks,
I
Jacob.
appreciate the demo.
Hey, no problem,
Awesome.
man. Thank you.
You're welcome.